Hey guys, welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for coming out here. May God bless you all. My people, this Nnamdi Kanu matter is gradually taking another dimension. You understand? What is happening right now is that some organizations, human rights organizations, have sued the UK government concerning Nnamdi Kanu's abduction from Kenya to Nigeria. Why did they do that? Nnamdi Kanu, he is a British citizen and he was adopted, from Kenya. You understand? Against his will. Nnamdi Kanu did not go with Nigerian passport. He was with the British passport. So why the British government kept mute about Nnamdi Kanu's abduction and his ordeals in Nigerian DSS custody and all that? So it was this human rights organization from US that is the one pushing the UK government now, to discuss Nnamdi Kanu case in the Parliament. So the UK government is set to discuss Nnamdi Kanu's case in Parliament. This is not just that is happening. These US leaders, they were the one. They are now on the UK government's neck. You understand? See, I've told us time without number that you see, anybody who feel that these Western people will help you, you are just deceiving yourselves. Sometimes we hear them say we are calling on international community to come and do this, to come and help us, to come and interfere in Nnamdi Kanu's case. Who? Is it the British government? Do you think they are not aware of everything that's happening? Do you think they are not happy? You think they want Biafrans to have freedom? So it's high time people should wake up and think faster and be smart. So anybody who thinks that the British government is not aware of what is happening, you are just joking. You understand? Now that these human rights organizations in US, petition them, they are now warming up to speak. Now they won't ask Nigerian government, why is Nnamdi Kanu in DSS custody up to now? Why was he adopted in Kenya with British passports and everything? So it's now they are waking up. So anybody who they believe all these people, now your own matter be that. You understand? Now your own matter be that. So anybody who says they are not aware, just wake up. Wake up, before you go get BP. They are aware of everything that is happening. Could you remember when the UK ambassador, Lalo, that the woman was here? That was when he was adopted at that initial time. How many times did you see her visit Nnamdi Kanu? Even when they call him organizing the book hall, this talk. She never made any attempt. The day she said she went, according to her, he said they did not give her access to see Nnamdi Kanu. All planned. You get? All planned. Well, let's see how this will go. You understand? Since they say they won't ask the Nigerian government, make una even hear this one now for here.
The UK Parliament says it is now set to commence a debate on the repatriation of the separatist leader. In a parliamentary schedule posted on its website, the date set for the debate is Wednesday, July 7th. According to the document, Lord Alton of Liverpool will be raising the issue at the House of Lords and will query the Nigerian government on the separatist leader's transfer to Nigeria. The British government had said that Kanu, who was traveling with a British passport, was not arrested within the United Kingdom's territory as controversy continued to trail the circumstances and where Kanu was repatriated from. In another development, Kelechi Madu, the Minister of Justice and Solicitor General of the Government of Alberta in Canada, has slammed the Nigerian Minister of Justice on attorney arrest of the IPOB leader. In a post on his LinkedIn page, Kelechi wrote that if reports that Kanu was abducted were true, Malami was not only a disgrace to the rule of law, but was also not worthy to be a public officer, and called on world leaders to apply appropriate sanctions on Nigeria. Well, there are two sides to this story. the Nigerian government will argue that Kanu is a Nigerian, and we as a sovereign state have the right to treat their citizen in the manner which they deem fit. But you know that Kanu is also a British citizen, and so
what I intend to file soon in conjunction with other governments, accusing the government of Nigeria of genocide in violation of the Genocide Convention against Biafrans in the southeast. The International Court of Justice is an arm of the United Nations, and it was created precisely to handle disputes between countries for violations of international law. At present, the International Court of Justice is entertaining criminal claims against Russia for its attack on Ukraine and the Myanmar government for its genocide against the Rohingya Muslim minority in what was formerly called Burma. And I submit that there is a comparable, if not equivalent, claim to be made against the government of Nigeria for genocide against Biafrans. It's a long-standing campaign, extending at least years and decades ago from the time of the First Civil War to 1967. And the campaign utilizes a combination of starvation, rape, deprivation of livelihood, killings, judicial murders, all with the intent to destroy Biafrans as a people. That is, I think, the transparent goal of the Fulani-controlled government, and we fully expect them to be held accountable for the wrongdoing in the International Court of Justice, which is why I am here today to send a preview to the government of Nigeria. This should stop, or a very, very stiff punishment will be heard from the International Court of Justice.
All right, guys, so many people do not understand how it can be very frustrating when you are saying the truth and somebody is trying to turn it down for you. It's very frustrating. And that was the reason of the outburst in court. That last time Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court, and you hear some people say, why is he talking to lawyers like that, the judges like that? Any small pikin when carry old man, I meant to say, when carry head, come give pikin, say make he play with. When he go knock you, you not go know. Because first of all, now you give your head, make them knock. You understand? When you deviate, anything can happen to you. When you deviate from the truth, you understand? And that is what is happening. He was asking question, why is it that everything about Nnamdi Kanu is different? Is that how Nigerian constitution is now? Nigerian constitution has automatically changed because it's not Nnamdi Kanu. But when it's other people, the constitution remains the same. You see, so meaning that the marginalization they are talking about is real. It was not a lie. If they are saying they are marginalized, and you said no, and with what is happening right now, it's still playing out. So who is now telling the lies? So let's see how this will go. I'm dropping it here, guys. Please, let's hear from you. Drop your comment below the comment section. Thank you, and bye for now.